children. Hope all of us are doing good. The topic that we will study today is adverbs. Now think. Read the following sentences and mark the words which describe the verbs. ये सारे sentences को पढ़ें जिनमें पहला sentence है सुनंदा writes carefully. अब इन sentences में उन वर्ड्स को मार्क करें जो कि वर्ब्स को यानी कि एक्शन वर्ड्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. नाउ पिक अप अ फ्यू ऑफ द वर्ड्स अबव एंड फॉर्म मोर सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग डिफरेंट वर्ब्स. अब आप क्या करेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो आपने वो वाले वर्ड्स को मार्क करा था जो कि वर्ब्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, उनमें से कुछ वर्ड्स को लें और डिफरेंट वर्ब्स को यूज करके सेंटेंसेस बनाएं. Let's read. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. जो words किसी verb को, adjective को या किसी दूसरे adverb को describe करते हैं उनको adverb कहा जाता है. For example, sun is shining brightly. यहाँ पे brightly मेरा adverb है. Now let us look at the kinds of adverbs. So adverbs के kinds क्या क्या हैं? Adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of quantity, affirmative adverb of negation, interrogative adverb, relative adverb. So adverb of place shows the place of action and answers to where. It is placed after the verb. मतलब जो adverb मेरा वेयर वाले क्वेश्चन को आंसर करता है और जहाँ पे एक्शन हुआ था वो बताता है, उसको हम एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, आई एम वॉकिंग इन दिस पार्क. देन एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम शोज द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द एक्शन. किस टाइम पे एक्शन हुआ था वो मुझे एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम बताता है. इट इज प्लेस्ड ईदर एट द बिगिनिंग और एट द एंड ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, did you ring him yesterday? Then adverb of manner shows the manner or quality of an action. मतलब action की quality क्या थी या उसका manner क्या था, ये मुझे adverb of manner से पता चलता है. It is usually placed just after the verb. For example, Smita sings sweetly. Then adverb of frequency tells the number of times action takes place. मतलब कितनी बारी कोई एक्शन हुआ वो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी बताता है. इट आंसर्स टू हाउ ऑफन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू ऑलवेज फेल टू रीच ऑन टाइम. देन एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी शोज द एक्सटेंट ऑफ द एक्शन एंड आंसर्स टू व्हाट डिग्री और हाउ मच. मतलब अगर मैं पूछूं कितनी डिग्री तक या कितना, उसका जो मुझे आंसर मिलेगा वो मेरा एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी होगा. इट इज जनरली प्लेस्ड बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव एंड द एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही परफॉर्म्ड द वर्स्ट इन द कॉम्पिटिशन. देन affirmative adverb and adverb of negation shows either confirmation or negation. जो adverb confirmation या negation बताते हैं वो affirmative adverb या फिर adverb of negation कहलाए जाते हैं. For example, you have to reach the goal by all means. I can achieve the target by no means. Then we have interrogative adverb which shows the question words when, where, how and why. For example, why are you leaving just now? Then relative adverb. These interrogative words such as when, where, how, why, etc. are used in relative adverb but not as questions. मतलब ये वाले जो मेरे words हैं when, where, how, why, ये relative adverbs होते हैं क्योंकि ये question की तरह use नहीं हो रहे. These words relate to the words which come before these. इनसे पहले जो words आते हैं ये उनसे relate करते हैं. For example, tell me how did you come? Now let us look at formation of adverbs. So adverbs formed from the adjectives. Examples: beautiful becomes beautifully, kind, kindly, nice, nicely, quick, quickly, ready, readily, regular, regularly. Then adverbs which are the converted forms of nouns and adjectives. For example, sometimes I call him for discussing the urgent matters. Then adverbs which are formed from compounded prepositions. For example, all of us are looking forward to the picnic. Then use of and between two adverbs. For example, keep meeting again and again. Now let us look at comparison of adverbs. Adverbs also have 3 degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative and the superlative. Most adverbs which end in ly form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. For example, skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully; swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly; quickly, more quickly, most quickly; noisily, more noisily, most noisily; loudly, more loudly, most loudly; kindly, more kindly, most kindly; happily, more happily, more happily; comfortably, more comfortably, more comfortably. Now let us look at conversion of adjective to adverb. Active becomes actively, obvious, obviously; bold, boldly; previous, previously; curious, curiously; recent, recently; dramatic, dramatically; specific, specifically; eager, eagerly; speedy, speedily; full, fully; strict, strictly; glad, gladly; successful, successfully; main, mainly; systematic, systematically. Let's write. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and state their kind. इन sentences में आप adverb को underline करें और बताएं कि वो किस type का adverb है. First sentence is Mohan goes for his tuition classes in the evening. Tick the correct option. Neatly. अब ये आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है या फिर एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी है. इसी तरह से जो बाकी आपको एडवर्ब्स दिए गए हैं उनको भी आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. He came dash and went out dash. तो इन sentences में जो blanks दिए गए हैं उनमें suitable adverbs लिखें. Now, fill in the blanks with the adverbs formed from the words given in the brackets. So, the first one is Suneet sleeps dash. अब bracket में आपको word दिया गया है sound. इससे आप adverb form करके इस blank में लिखें. इसी तरह से बाकी sentences भी complete करें. Let's enjoy. Enjoy solving the following riddles to get the adverbs as answers. यहाँ पे आपको जो riddles दी गई हैं उनको solve करके correct adverb जो है वो आपका answer हो जाएगा. So the first one is I am an adverb of time for use with the verb of the future tense. Guess my name. इसी तरह से बाकी भी आप complete करें और enjoy करें. So I hope that this chapter is clear to all and answering questions based on this chapter will now be easy.